What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. I am meeting today with a fellow content creator because I am purchasing a brand new DSLR. Now, that does not mean that I am going to stop filming with smartphones. Absolutely not. I am super passionate about smartphone photography and videography. Having said that, I feel as a creator, it's time for me to continue to grow and expand and pursue new methods of capturing photos and videos. So I'm meeting with fellow content creator Dave Mace because I am actually acquiring a camera of his. You excited about this? I'm super stoked because I mainly focus on smartphone photography and videography, but my last SLR ever was the 60D, Canon 60D, wow. And I kept that one and I sold my 5D Mark II, and that's it. I haven't had an SLR since those cameras, and a lot has changed. So
everybody's watching this channel right now should go subscribe to EMT Films. Check out his stuff. I'll link it in the icon above. He shoots everything on his phone, but starting now, we might see some DSLR.
Oh, absolutely.
Mirrorless content, so pretty exciting.
Thank you, thank you.
And Drew over here does shoot on a Canon as well.
I do.
An old one.
I'm really jealous he's buying this, because I do not have as nice a camera as that. But, you know, one day Dave will sell me an EOS.
I did it. I am the proud owner of a brand new Canon EOS R. Now, this camera's not spanking new in terms of like when it came out, because this camera's been out for a little while. But it's very, very exciting because I have not had an SLR camera since the 60D and the 5D Mark II. So it's really, really cool to be able to kind of like experiment a little bit more as a photographer. I was kind of craving for a little while to get another camera body and just be able to do a little bit more than what I do with my phone. Don't get me wrong, this YouTube channel 100% will continue to focus on smartphone photography and videography, but this angle, every time I sit on this table, is more than likely going to remain the same, right? And I'm going to continue to invest in different lenses and different tools, but I am also looking to expand to doing my own work outside of the YouTube channel, a little bit more professional production kind of work, whether it's commercials or interviews or documentaries, and definitely investing in equipment is something that was way long overdue. It is definitely a new journey we're going to be growing together because it's a whole rediscovery phase for me. Since I haven't touched an SLR for such a long time, I'm trying to get reacclimated with mirrorless. I'm trying to get acclimated with all the different tools and options that are available. I'm also looking to introduce heavier gimbals into the channel, but still leverage the smartphone side of things for object tracking and comparisons and things like that. So not even for a second think that we're going to move away from smartphone photography and videography. Absolutely not, because that will never replace the convenience and practicality of just having a camera in your pocket, and the best camera is the one that you always have with you. But having said that, being able to expand as a creator, as an artist, has definitely something that I've been looking to do for a really long time, and I hope you're in for this phase of the journey on the YouTube channel. I want to give a huge thanks to Dave Mace. He is the fellow content creator who sold me the Canon EOS R, and he's a fantastic creator. His YouTube channel is down in the description. I am actually a subscriber of his, and just being able to know him and let alone purchase one of his cameras is definitely one of those things that I never saw myself in that position. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and of course here on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when I post. We're going back to basics and providing tutorials with smartphone videography and photography, as well as smartphone gimbals, so don't go anywhere. But I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Also, let me know what you think about the visuals. If you like the portrait, kind of like depth of field that I'm getting, it's actually going to get a little bit more aggressive. This is an 18mm kit lens, but definitely let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think it's a good idea to have a stationary kind of like SLR option? That way we can just sit and record. Or do you think smartphone videography is where it's at? I am very, very interested in checking out some of your opinions. But as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.